When exploring pet insurance, one name that often comes up is Figo Pet Insurance. Today, I'm going to walk you through my full experience using Figo, from signing up to filing claims and dealing with their customer service. At first glance, Figo stands out because of its sleek branding and heavy focus on technology, especially their mobile app called the Pet Cloud. This app is meant to give you easy access to your policy, claims, and even vet records. I'll show you how it works and whether it's as convenient as it looks in their advertising. When choosing a plan, Figo offers flexible coverage options. You can adjust the annual deductible, reimbursement percentage, and maximum annual benefit. This makes it possible to tailor a plan for different budgets, which I found useful. However, one thing to be aware of is that while the monthly premiums can look affordable at first, the price quickly increases if you want higher coverage or lower deductibles. Over time, I noticed rate adjustments, and this is something potential users should take into account. Figo advertises fast claims processing, but in my experience, this was a mixed bag. Sometimes claims were processed quickly within a few days, especially for straightforward vet bills. Other times, particularly when detailed medical records were required, claims took much longer. Customer service communication was polite but not always prompt, and occasionally I had to follow up multiple times to get updates. This could be frustrating, especially during stressful times when dealing with a sick pet. Another highlight is that Figo covers a wide range of treatments, including emergencies, surgeries, and chronic conditions, as long as they aren't pre-existing. Preventative care, however, is limited and usually requires add-ons at extra cost. The policy exclusions are something you need to read carefully because, like most insurance companies, Figo doesn't cover everything. The Pet Cloud app deserves its own mention. It's one of the selling points Figo promotes heavily. It allows you to store medical documents, connect with vets, and submit claims directly. In theory, it's great. In practice, it works well most of the time, but I did encounter glitches and occasional login issues. This isn't a deal breaker, but if you're expecting flawless technology, you might be a little disappointed. Many useful links you can find in the description. On the positive side, Figo has no upper age limits for pets, which makes it a good choice for older animals that many providers won't cover. They also offer a 24/7 virtual vet feature, which can be very helpful for quick questions and emergencies when you're unsure whether to visit a clinic immediately. That being said, Figo is not the cheapest option on the market, and while the coverage is broad, the fine print is important. In terms of my personal user experience, Figo is solid but not perfect. The flexibility of coverage is a huge plus, and the app is convenient when it works well. However, the claim delays and rate increases were definite downsides. If you are someone who values tech features and wants customizable insurance for your pet, Figo might be a good fit. But if fast claims processing and absolute reliability are your top priorities, it may not fully meet expectations. Ultimately, I would recommend Figo Pet Insurance to pet owners who are comfortable managing everything digitally and who don't mind keeping an eye on policy changes and rate adjustments. It offers peace of mind when it comes to covering major veterinary expenses, but like all insurance, it comes with trade-offs. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, please support the channel by subscribing and giving this video a like. Your support helps me create more honest reviews to guide you in making the best decisions for your pets.